Yep, somebody's definitely wind vanning.
50%. Gear up.
Whoa, that was scary. But I don't think that's oscillating. You think that was better? Got a serious downdraft going on too.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 0.
That was almost ugly. I'm almost having to use takeoff speed to get it to the taxi.
25%.
Here we go.
Nope.
That's what I was doing when I landed. I was like, holy crap. Come on, left. Yep, you got it. Oh, sh.
Ah, it's okay. It didn't do any damage. It's manageable though.
Are you out, John, or are you just been in back in the... Well, that's good.
Am I the only one that landed straight down?
Gear up.
Pick that up.
G limit disengaged.
No.
50.
Good thing you're showing about more stuff.
25%. 50%.
Oops. That wind is really...
Yeah, up there I'll bet it's really kicking up.
Yeah.
Down by me is worse than this. Tuesday it's supposed to be 22-mile-an-hour winds. Oh.
Well, we ain't flying Tuesday then.
Wednesday's not good either. It's supposed to be like 17 or 18.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's why it's just like a rocket upside down too.
Barely have any... I'm gonna go back around.
50%.
Ooh,
30
that's...
seconds.
Ooh, that's mushy. Get some speed on that throttle. Yeah.
I got it on... Oh, that was me. Okay, that was me, my fault. The wind is actually pushing me up.
I guess those little 3D planes are fake.
Yeah, Mickey said he might come out today, but I bet he don't.
I wouldn't recommend it. Earl?
No wonder the other ones went all the way across the trailing edge.
But then then all of a sudden, as soon as I got it in, it took back off again. It was like the wind just took it.
Huh.
Gear up. G limit disengaged. Fifth 0. 25%. 25%. 3, 2, 1.
Tell me where I am. I think I'm right
Timer
over the.
expired. Land
I can't see you.
immediately. Land immediately.
Oh, there you are. Yeah.
All right, I'm right over the, just past in the high grass.
Yeah.
0.
Until you got a crosswind.
Yeah, definitely.
25%. 0. Warning. Main power systems activated. 25%. 50%.
Punch it!
Gear up. 50%. G limit disengaged. Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's a dogfight.
Yeah, 3 of you all lined up there at one time. You're a little outclassed with maneuverability.
50%. 1 minute.
All right, getting ready to land.
50%.
Look at that. All right, landing.
30 seconds. Gear down.
And the wind picked up. Are you kidding me? Look at that.
20 seconds.
I'm just gonna hang around up here.
Yeah, you can just hang.
Yeah, you
I don't have that luxury. All right, grab the one. Ooh.
25%. 0.
Whoa. You see that?
Yeah.
7. 6. 5.
A good
4,
save.
53. 0. 2. 1. Timer expired. Land immediately. Land immediately.
You have a choice. That was really ugly. Grab some ground. Gently, please.
20. 0.
Here you're doing good.
Gear up. G limit disengaged. 50%. 50%.
And this is why I don't feel I need to split the flaps, Fred.
Yep.
There you go.
And it handles pretty well.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Like, where to go?
Yeah. It came out. Invisible there. Yeah.
50. 5%. 0.
Oh my God. Hey.